Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. This is another one of my creations I've made. It's a kid's toy. I've turned it into a ghost telephone. I'll show you around it. You can see this is fantastic for a trigger object because you've got so many things. If a ghost plays with it, a young spirit plays with it, you've got so many things you could maybe catch on camera. You've got the this, and you got the receiver, so that'd be fantastic if you catch that on video if that moves. I left the string on there. You got the eyeballs. They still moves around like it was intended to do. If we look around it, you see I've got a battery on the back and the on-off switch. Now if I turn it on, you've got to give it at least a minute. It rings. Right. Give it at least a minute to adjust to the atmosphere around the room. Right. That should be adjusting pretty soon. And if I move, it'll ring. Right. I'm moving, it rings. If I stop, it will stop. That stopped. Right. Now this is made with a microwave sensor. Detects movement up to 5 to 6 meters away, and it can even detect movement through doors and walls within that proximity. Ideal for a trigger object in if you're investigating downstairs maybe, and you want to put this upstairs. This is ideal. Because then if it gets near it, it will start to ring. As soon as I stop, it stops. Let's go now. Let's turn it off a minute. Right. Now, it's fantastic at night in the dark. Really is good. Really sensitive. I work on a lot of trigger objects. Try to think of new ideas all the time for the young spirits. That's why I do like children's toys. But I don't want to do anything that's loud, too frightening. So I try and make them soft, not to scare the young spirits away. Right, I'll turn it on again. I'll show you the range. I've got to give it another minute again for it to adjust. Right, and if I go out the room, now behind the door now, if I move behind the door it should go off. There you go, moving now. I'll stop. And wave my hand around behind the door. There you go. So that's the sensitivity. Sensitivity behind the door. It's sensitive all the way around the 360 degrees around the object. So you don't have to be fussy what way to face it. You can put it any direction and it'll pick up movement. It picks up movement, any kind of movement, body or anything that's moving, it'll make it ring. Right, I'll creep upstairs. To the Yoki Koki. It's pretty sensitive. hopefully that gives you some sort of idea how sensitive it is. And hopefully it catch some, when it's going off, hopefully it'll catch some sort of movement. That'd be great if it caught this move like that, or even moved. Right, I'll show you around it. Hopefully I can show you the best way I can. There's a on off switch at the back there. Takes a 9-volt battery, which I will supply. It's a new device, brand new, modified by me. A lot of work's gone into a lot of work goes into my device and a lot of research. If you're a ghost hunter like me, you'll appreciate how hard it is to actually make these devices, how tricky and how much research goes into them. What I like about it is all the little bits and pieces on there, maybe you might catch on camera move. That's a general idea, especially the handset, because it's very light, the handset. It wouldn't take a lot to move that. If he caught that on camera while it is ringing, moving, that'd be fantastic. Now, if you like any of my objects, I recommend you go to my About Me page on YouTube and visit my SD store. I've got a lot of other stuff on there. Have a look around in there, see anything you like, and send me a message. Thanks for watching, everybody, and keep safe.